Hi, I'm Mike, and this is 5-Minute Tech Help. Today, we're going to talk about running Windows on your Macintosh computer. That's right, you can run Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10 right on your very own Mac. Your MacBook Pro, your MacBook Air even, and your iMacs as well, and Mac Minis. So if you own a Mac, you're probably thinking, he's probably going to talk about Boot Camp, and that's what I have up on the screen here. However, what Boot Camp is, it only allows you to install Windows on another partition of the hard drive. Therefore, you can only boot up in Windows or boot up in OS X. What I'm going to talk about is running Windows on your Mac while your Macintosh is also running OS X. So there are two products out there that are well known. One is called Parallels Desktop for Mac, and I think it runs you around $79 currently. That gets great reviews. It's very easy to use. However, me being me, I don't take the easy way out. I come from an IT background, so I'm more familiar with VMware's products out there, and they have one called VMware Fusion, and that's also I believe it's also $79, and they come up with upgrades every year that you can upgrade to, and it's at a cheaper price. So it's your choice. You can run Parallels Desktop or you can run VMware Fusion. I picked VMware Fusion. So what happens? How does this work? Well, I have VMware Fusion down here. I click open it, and in here I have virtual machines. A virtual machine is pretty much just a section of your hard drive that you use to run an operating system like Windows or Linux, or any other operating system you wanted to run in here. So I can actually have other operating systems in here as well. But right now I just have Windows 10. It actually started off as a Windows 7 virtual machine, and I upgraded it during the free Windows 10 upgrade. Now remember, you have to have a license, a legal license to run your operating system. And if you had Windows 7, you can get Windows 10 for free. So I have Windows 10 already installed, and that could be another video in the future. A little lengthy process to do that. But I'm going to start it up, and you'll see that it's going to start up. It says VMware Fusion, and here comes the Windows 10 logo. So it boots up pretty quickly. And there we go. And log in. Type in my PIN. And any second now, we will be in Windows 10. Voila. Now we have a full-blown Windows 10, and it's running in full screen. So watch this. You can flip back and forth between Mac and Windows 10. Put the edge up here between Mac and Windows 10. Now you can also have it run in other views. But for instance, you can have it running see if I can find it in a single window. So if we can find it, see now you can see it's Windows 10 is running inside this Mac window, Mac resizable window, and it runs pretty well. You can also have it run in a feature called Unity, and what that does is it's a little confusing, but what that does is any application you open up in Windows, well, let's show you. I haven't run this feature in a long time. Hopefully it worked for me while I'm recording here. So if you notice down here in your launch bar, you have Microsoft Edge in your Mac. How does that work? Well, whatever application you open up in Windows 10 will be part of your Mac system here. all behind the scenes and you don't even notice it. So you got your edge here, and how you open up other applications. These are applications that are in his Windows Explorer. That ought to be interesting. Open up Windows Explorer, and there it is. There's your hard drive in your Windows 10 machine. So you can see there's a lot of cool features you can do with this with VMware Fusion. I usually stick with the I don't even know how to get back. Oh yeah, I usually stick with the full screen just because I like to keep it separate. But there are ways of connecting to your Mac desktop through here as well, so you can share files between the two operating systems. Well, I hope you found this useful. Again, this is Mike, and this has been your 5-Minute Tech Help.